Today, we are diving into a fascinating aspect of the English language that often trips up even the most seasoned speakers, the use of whom. While it may seem like a small word, it plays a significant role in our conversations. In this monologue, I will present 100 questions that incorporate whom along with the mehr and ders. This will not only help you understand how to use whom correctly, but also enhance your daily spoken English conversations. Let's start with the basics. Whom is an object pronoun, which means it is used when referring to the object of a verb or preposition. In contrast, who is a subject pronoun, used when referring to the subject of a sentence. This distinction is crucial for constructing grammatically correct sentences. Now, let's get into our questions. 1. To whom did you give the book? I gave the book to Sarah. 2. Whom are you inviting to the party? I'm inviting my friends. 3. To whom should I address the letter? You should address it to Mr. Johnson. 4. Whom do you trust the most? I trust my sister the most. 5. To whom does this bag belong? This bag belongs to my brother. 6. Whom did you see at the concert? I saw my old friend, Mark. 7. To whom are you speaking? I'm speaking to my neighbor. 8. Whom did you meet at the conference? I met Dr. Smith. 9. To whom can I send the report? You can send it to the manager. 10. Whom are you going to call for help? I'm going to call my dad. 11. To whom did you tell the secret? I told the secret to my best friend. 12. Whom do you admire the most? I admire my grandmother the most. 13. To whom should I give this gift? You should give it to your teacher. 14. Whom did you ask for directions? I asked a passerby. 15. To whom is this message directed? This message is directed to all employees. 16. Whom do you think will win the election? I think Jane will win. 17. To whom are you sending the invitation? I'm sending it to my colleagues. 18. Whom did you hear about the news from? I heard it from my coworker. 9. To whom does this phone number belong? This number belongs to my friend. 20. Whom are you going to meet tomorrow? I'm going to meet my mentor. 21. To whom should I report this issue? You should report it to the supervisor. 2. Whom do you think is responsible for the project? I think John is responsible. 23. To whom are you referring in your statement? I'm referring to the committee. 24. Whom do you want to join us for dinner? I want my cousin to join us. 25. To whom can I ask for advice? You can ask the teacher for advice. 26. Whom did you invite to your wedding? I invited my family and close friends. 27. To whom are you sending the email? I'm sending it to my professor. 28. Whom do you believe is the best candidate? I believe Lisa is the best candidate. 29. To whom does this artwork belong? This artwork belongs to the museum. 30. Whom are you going to support in the competition? I'm going to support my teammate. 31. To whom should I speak about my concerns? You should speak to the HR manager. 32. Whom did you borrow the book from? I borrowed it from the library. 33. To whom can I trust with my secrets? You can trust your closest friends. 34. Whom do you think will help us? I think Tom will help us. 35. To whom should I send the feedback? You should send it to the project lead. 36. Whom did you learn this skill from? I learned it from my father. 37. To whom is the presentation going to be given? The presentation is going to be given to the board. 38. Whom are you planning to visit this weekend? I'm planning to visit my grandparents. 39. To whom does this credit card belong? This credit card belongs to my wife. 40. Whom do you want to collaborate with on this project? I want to collaborate with Anna. 41. To whom should I direct my questions? You should direct your questions to the instructor. 42. Whom did you see in the hallway? I saw Jessica in the hallway. 43. To whom can I turn for help? You can turn to your friends for help. 44. Whom do you think should lead the team? I think David should lead the team. 45. To whom does this email need to be forwarded? This email needs to be forwarded to the client. 46. Whom are you planning to invite for lunch? I'm planning to invite my colleague. 47. To whom should I give my feedback? You should give your feedback to the manager. 48. Whom did you discuss the project with? I discussed it with my team. To whom does this information pertain? This information pertains to all staff. 50. Whom do you think will be the next leader? I think Sarah will be the next leader. 51. To whom are you showing the new design? I'm showing it to the client. 52. Whom do you respect in your field? I respect many professionals in my field. 53. To whom should I send the application? You should send it to the admissions office. 54. Whom did you hear the rumor from? I heard it from a friend. 55. To whom is this policy applicable? This policy is applicable to all employees. 56. Whom do you consider your role model? I consider my teacher my role model. 57. To whom should I report the incident? You should report it to the security office. 58. Whom are you looking for? I'm looking for my keys. 59. To whom does this task belong? This task belongs to the marketing team. 60. Whom do you think will join us later? I think Paul will join us later. 61. To whom should I give my resignation? You should give it to your supervisor. 62. Whom did you consult for advice? I consulted my mentor for advice. 63. To whom are you sending the proposal? I'm sending it to the investors. 64. Whom do you enjoy spending time with? I enjoy spending time with my family. To whom does this report need to be submitted? This report needs to be submitted to the director. 66. Whom did you find at the event? I found several colleagues at the event. 67. To whom can I refer for assistance? You can refer to the customer service team. 68. Whom do you think will appreciate this gift? I think my mom will appreciate it. 69. To whom should I address my complaint? You should address it to the customer service department. 70. Whom are you planning to call later? I'm planning to call my friend. 71. To whom does this task need to be assigned? This task needs to be assigned to the interns. 2. Whom did you ask for help with your homework? I asked my brother for help. 73. To whom should I send the invitation for the meeting? You should send it to all participants. 74. Whom do you think will succeed in this role? I think Emily will succeed. 75. To whom can I talk about my ideas? You can talk to your team leader. 76. Whom are you hoping to see at the reunion? I'm hoping to see my childhood friends. 7. To whom does this equipment belong? This equipment belongs to the lab. 8. Whom do you think is the best player on the team? I think Alex is the best player. 9. To whom should I give the keys? You should give the keys to the new tenant. 80. Whom did you share your plans with? I shared my plans with my family. 81. To whom is this message intended? This message is intended for all staff members. 82. Whom do you think will lead the project? I think Rachel will lead the project. 83. To whom should I refer the customer? You should refer the customer to the sales department. 84. Whom do you think will enjoy this movie? I think my friends will enjoy it. 85. To whom does this job application belong? This application belongs to John. 86. Whom are you planning to surprise on their birthday? I'm planning to surprise my sister. 87. To whom should I report the findings? You should report the findings to your supervisor. 88. Whom did you discuss the issue with? I discussed it with my colleagues. 89. To whom is this event open? This event is open to the public. 90. Whom do you think will benefit from this program? I think the students will benefit. 91. To whom are you giving the presentation? I'm giving the presentation to the board members. 92. Whom do you think will help us with the project? I think Lisa will help us. 93. To whom should I send the follow-up email? You should send it to the participants. 94. Whom did you see at the coffee shop? I saw my old teacher at the coffee shop. 95. To whom does this information need to be communicated? This information needs to be communicated to all staff. 96. Whom do you consider your best friend? I consider Emily my best friend. 97. To whom should I address my letter of recommendation? You should address it to the admissions committee. 98. Whom are you going to ask for feedback? I'm going to ask my mentor for feedback. 99. To whom does this policy apply? This policy applies to all employees. 100. Whom do you think will make the final decision? I think the manager will make the final decision. And there you have it, 100 questions using whom along with their answers. Understanding how to use whom correctly can elevate your spoken English and make your conversations more fluid and sophisticated. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try incorporating these questions into your daily conversations. The more you use them, the more natural they will feel. Happy speaking!